find more things in our classroom. Are you ready for K, L, M, N, and O? Let's go! Where is letter K? Can you help me find? Is it on the keyboard we used to grow our mind? K is for keyboard. Tap, tap, tap the keys. Learning all our ABCs with such a happy ease. Where is letter L? Let's look in my cubby. Is it on the lunchbox that makes me feel so yummy? L is for lunchbox. Open it up wide. See the healthy sandwich that's hiding inside. Step by step, 1, 2, 3. School is fun for you and me. Where is letter M? Is it in my hand? Is it on the marker to draw a happy land? M is for marker, green and blue and red, coloring the pictures.
Where is letter N? Let's take a little look. Is it on the notebook, my very favorite